Hey guys. Hey guys. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm at a birthday party right now, and people looking at me like be a short vlog. So I'm not uploading on my other channel. People looking at me right now. You can see still house right there. I'm at a birthday party right now. Baby's birthday party, of course. People looking at me right now. Sorry if I did that. It's people looking at me right now. Sorry about all the noise in the background. So in this vlog, I'll be talking about what I should upload. Leave in the comments section below what games I should play, and if I should do vlogs on this channel. Oh gosh, this kid's looking at me too. Okay, I have to end the vlog here. Sorry, guys. Wait, no, don't leave, please. Okay, yeah, so, yeah, we're right now here, so. Yeah, what games I should play, guys? I have a Samsung, and, it's a Play Store, so I can't really download anything. And, comment section below if I should play Pokemon Go. If I should download it when it comes out in Canada. But, yeah. Okay, people are looking at me. I have to leave. Bye.